Welcome back. It's a fantastic to have you with us for the another exciting episode in our hands-on journey through the world of cybersecurity. We believe the best way to learn is by doing, by solving the real world problem. Our goal is to guide you from beginner to pro. We are diving into hands-on challenges by providing practical solution, not just a theory. It's how you truly learn and grow in the world of cybersecurity. So today we are again back in our Hack This site to do the hands-on cybersecurity labs. In this video, we'll be talking another challenge, but make sure that you log into your Hack This site account if you still don't have. You can see right now I already log in, but if you want to create the account or it's a first class, then you can go to the main website. You can see the URL hackthisSite.org, and here you have the option of the registration. I already logged in, so I'm coming back to my account. Okay. Now, once you are in, you head over the challenges section. You can see here there is a much different challenges, and in that go to the basics. Let's dive into the today's labs. This challenge falls into basic level 3. If you remember, we already solved the lab 1 and lab 2. Today we'll do this. Okay, and it's a level 3 category, so it's a bit more logic than what we tackled last time. Okay, we are going to diving into some intuition indeed to find a location of a hidden password file. Level 3, here what it is telling, that this time network security same remember to upload the password files. Obviously now what, a level increase, that means now that kind of scenario you have where network security admin is remember to upload the file, and that means what, now compulsory we need to type a password. You can just try randomly. I'm not typing password and submitting. It is telling what error, it's not correct. Obviously it's not same like a level 2. Okay, it's a level 3. So what the thing is here, but there were deeper problem than that. Here, the only requirement for this challenge is something we all have, that basic HTML knowledge. So, guys, you are ready for that? Now let's start solving the lab. Okay, the concept again, try to remember. What thing is this time network security is same. Remember to upload the password file means we need to find the password file. Indirectly, if we find the password file, we can find the password. How I can say that, because again it is depend on the level 2. In level 2, just for remembering purpose, that same protect the password with the script, and he made the load real password. The real password is what, unencrypted text file, and that file is comparing the password when user enter, and on that time he forget the password file to upload. But now that unencrypted password file uploaded by the same. And this level 3 is saying that now again try to log in. So what we need to do, find the password file, and again for that you require HTML knowledge. And if you remember level 1 lab, where I told you that you require little bit basic HTML knowledge. Okay, this is a combo of level 1 and level 2. So if I take you to level 1, then what is that? It is telling this level we call idiot level. Okay, again no need to explain entire thing, you can see that video. Now coming back to this level 3 lab, and here also you require HTML things. Again, if you forget that, so I have that basic HTML file created, and how it is what I'm accessing via this location. Okay, and if you want to remember this, then you can see this is the format to create HTML. It is that same file. You can see HTML for website hacking, HTML for website hacking. This is the original file where I write the HTML things, and this is the output, how it is effect when you open HTML file in browser. Again, these entire things you can check the level 1 video. I'm coming to the level 3, and let's do same thing. Right click, inspect in the level 3, and try to inspect this. Make it little bit down. Our focus is here. So what I told you, once you click this, you can select the different section. Our section is what, this is our section. Okay, again this square box, this is our website. The upper side, which you find the HackThisSite banner, or the left side, you find the login other thing. That is for what? A platform, to use the platform. But our challenge is here, this selected section where we need to find the problem. So this is 3D. Okay. Center, you can see when I select again, you can focus on the left side. Whenever I'm moving the cursor right side, the different section is selected. Then center password section is here, and there is a form. And in the form, input type, hidden password. So here the password is there. Whatever password we type, that is here. And then submit button. Now you see here, if you notice here, two input. So when I selecting this form section, you can see the left side, you can see bigger box is selected. Then if I select this, the password box is selected. But what about this? If you notice here, this input section is not selecting anything from the website. Again repeating, this form section selecting left side box, entire password and submit button, everything. This is just password box, and downside it is submit box. But what about this input? You find the two different input, and this input is extra thing which is not visible in this real website for public. That means something here. What is telling? It is hidden type. See, hidden, that's why it is not visible. Here you can see input type is password. Here input type is hidden. That means there is something we can find secret or interested. Name is what? File. F-I-L-E. Name is file. Let's make it this way. Okay. And then value password.php. So mostly PHP is what? A file for communicating website. Okay. File type. So password.php. And what we are looking for? Password. So that means this password.php is maybe the password file, or maybe the password process file. We don't know. Let's check. How we can check? Just you can try to open this file. How you can open this file? Again, you don't have any link because it is not visible. If you want to type password field visible. If you want to submit is visible. But this is not visible, it's hidden. So what you can do? This file name. Just copy this file name and you can type in the URL here. Keep old as it is, okay? You are still in the this side, mission, basic and 3 number level left, and password.php. This name, whatever you find here, and enter. So if it is an actual password file, you can see, then we have the password. Just copy this password, okay? And then coming back to the challenge page, you can type here and let's check, submit. And you can see it's saying congrats, congratulations, you have successfully completed this basic level 3 lab. So here what you need to understand, again, maybe you find it is simple if you are experienced people, but if you are beginner, you find more interested. The thing is here what? We started from the beginner level. So more advanced level is coming on. Right now we are solved the basic level 3 lab. So we did it, guys. We have successfully completed this challenge and found the hidden password file. So before we wrap up, let's take a moment and reflect on what we have learned from this experience. The key point is what? Remember, every challenge is the opportunity to grow your cybersecurity skills. If you are beginner, again you are experienced, whatever. Sometimes what you are talking about advanced things, you always try to solve as an advanced level, but sometimes you miss the basic, and that will sometimes create issues. So always keep in mind that every challenge is the opportunity to grow your cybersecurity skills. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Okay, and I encourage you to give this challenge and try your own. And don't forget to share your experience, questions, or thoughts in the comment below. We are here to learn and grow together. Stay tuned. There are lots of more exciting content coming on the way. Thanks for joining me. I will see you in the next video.